Nick it. That's what you're going to get. It's...
Oh, mate, what is he doing?
A bit angry, isn't he?
Yeah, just a little bit.
All this place.
We'll keep going.
Yeah.
He won't stop.
Get out.
Are you going to tell him, or shall I?
You know what, mate? I think you should.
There you go, boys.
All right, mate. You missed the wing mirror.
Funny, isn't you?
Hey, just go and get paperwork.
I don't need to see any paperwork.
I think you're going to want to see this paperwork.
Yeah.
Cheers, H.
Download the app now and start watching!